my gosh, I just woke up and this is not what I was expecting. We got like a foot of snow. No, that's dramatic. Maybe like 6 inches. What? That's crazy. It is officially December 1st, and I don't know when I'm uploading this. I think maybe the 3rd or 4th, but it is my last day in Michigan. Excuse the way I look, but I have been hanging out with Miss Gracie all morning and working on my computer. We have the fire going. My mom's about to be back home, so I'm gonna take off and go get a coffee with my dad. So yeah, that's been the morning so far. I'm gonna just throw on a casual outfit and brush my hair, and then we're gonna go. She's perfect. It's doggy daycare today. That's what we're starting today off with. What? Grace keeps getting bigger and bigger. She's getting heavier. And she's been a whiny puppy today. You're a whiny puppy. Why? What's wrong? Oh. And she does this. She's chill, but she's been chasing Toby around. Oh, the neighbor's dog's in our backyard. Anyways, I'm just waiting for a second, and then I have to put her in her kennel. They like to call it an apartment, but I'm gonna put her in her apartment, and then I'm gonna like shower and get ready for the day. I have actually no idea why the neighbor's dogs are here, and I hope she doesn't see. This is why I thought that Grace wasn't our puppy at first. Oh great, she's gonna see. Are you gonna see the doggies? No, you're not gonna see them. Toby, chill. Chile. I have no idea why they're here. They're so cute though. Like so cute. No, they're so cute. I'm not moving her. She's been crazy all morning. All right. We're not gonna do that. No, we're not gonna do that. Gotta go home. Oh my gosh, they're so perfect. Yeah, she's a baby. Hi. Do you like the doggy? Yeah, she's a baby. And you don't want to keep her in the kennel for too long. I might put her in there for a second since she's sleepy until mom gets home. But we've had a great morning. Also, just been doing one more load of laundry. Bye.
Grace, come. Grace, sit. Oh, good girl. Amen. So excited, right?
Hey guys, so I just got a chemical peel, except for it's one of the peels that isn't supposed to peel, so it's like targeting some of the breakouts I've had recently, and then I think some of the texture on my skin. I have been on a mission to clear my skin to get rid of any of the acne scars for honestly the past 6 months. It's been 7 months. Honestly, this whole year, this whole year since January, I've been like on a mission to clear it. And I didn't do Accutane. I know I don't stop talking about that, but I basically did it through a holistic doctor and eating clean and microneedling and all the things. So not only clear the breakouts, but then target the acne scars. I made like a full YouTube video about that this summer. Yeah, anyways, I haven't done a chemical peel all year, but we just did that. And I think it'll help with some of this. So we'll see, but right now it's 2 p.m. and I'm like, where did the day go? It's literally December 1st. I'm like, where did the day go? I'm just gonna go back and pack to go back to New York. Right now I'm gonna focus on getting this vlog up and packing and getting ready to go back. And I've been checking this tracking all day on my package. It says that it's out for delivery, and it has been all day. But I'm like sick to my stomach because that's why I kind of stayed home. I have this package coming for the ski trip that I was talking about. And now I'm really sad because I'm really ready to go back to New York, but I can't overnight the package now. And I'm just a little bit stressed out. So I've cleaned the room. I'm packing, and all I need is my ski gear to get here. It's okay. I'm just anxious because I wanted to get back to New York tonight, but my flight's in an hour and a half, and I just don't know if I'm gonna make it because package isn't here. But on the bright side, I could see Maddie because Maddie's in town, and I could actually go to Target. Anyways, I'm making some food right now. Just quickly. Wait. Yes. Whoa. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is my other package. I was waiting for 2 packages. These are the Coach purses for a video I'm doing with them later this month. So I'm like really happy this package came. You guys will see the video I'm doing with them probably in like a week or 2, but I'm so excited these at least got here. And then the package is still not here. And I didn't put me kind of like freaking out in the vlog, but I've just been a little stressed. So an hour ago, I called my favorite massage place to see if they had an opening for today, and they do. And so my shoulder's been acting up still. I need to go to physical therapy, but I'm taking a break from editing, and I'm gonna go get that massage done, and hopefully I'll feel super refocused after. That might seem a little dramatic, but I'm really excited. Let's go to that. I'm going to Woodhouse Spa, so let's go. She's ready for her TREAT.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir.
Good morning, you guys. It is December 2nd. It's a little before 9 a.m. and I'm heading over to grab some coffee for me, Jenny, and Emily. The package saga continues, except for I'm making the most out of it. Last night I got to see Maddie, and then this morning I went to bed super late, but I'm waking up early. We uploaded. I'm going to see the girls, see the kids. I just did one of those online orders at Starbucks, and I'm just gonna grab from there.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and the children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. The snow said I'm dreaming.
I've spent the day hanging with Emily and Jenny. Honestly, I spent the whole morning with them, Blair and Everett. And then I stopped by my dad's, hung out for a little bit. And now I'm back at my mom's packing. I'm about to get on this flight to New York unless plans drastically change, because tomorrow morning early, I have my flight to Vail, Colorado. We're going to Vail for 3 days. I'm so excited. We're going with Hunter, and yeah, we're gonna be going, I think, snowshoeing, snowmobiling, hanging out in Vail. The last time I was in Vail, I was on a family ski trip, and it was the best time. So Ellie is meeting me there, which I'm so excited about. So I'm just packing the best I can right now and seeing if the package arrives since it got delayed. It's a shit show, and honestly I can only blame me because I had packages coming to Michigan. I have some time, so I think I might edit or go to Target. I was wanting to get those Christmas lights, so I might actually go do that and get some wrapping paper. We're pretty packed for the most part. This is what it's looking like.
Getting busy, people everywhere.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is heaven, the fact that nobody's here right now. These are so cute. I love this. Target was flawless. 10 out of 10. The cutest gift wrapping paper you've ever seen. I got basically everything I need to wrap gifts this year. I shopped on like the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, so I feel like I have a good amount of gifts. Obviously, I'll do some shopping as things come up. I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't get that person this or this or this. But I tried to get a majority of the gifts. I also got some nail polish so I can paint my nails for this trip tomorrow. So I made the executive decision to stay in Michigan. The whole plan was to fly to New York on Saturday. I just had a couple packages coming to my mom's that got delayed. Some got delayed because of weather, so it happens, and I got a couple restful days at home where I've just been working. It's honestly been really nice to be at home, so I'm happy. My flight's at 9 a.m. tomorrow, and we're going to Colorado. I'm so excited. I'll be rested, I have my packages, and then we get back to the city on the 6th of December. Anyways, I'm at the store right now. I wanted to get my mom some wine because I've just been drinking wine with her while I've been home, and I feel like I owe her a Chardonnay. She loves Chardonnay. I don't know if it's my favorite, it's growing on me, but I'm gonna get her some white wine. So let's go. Oh, gee, just went pee. Okay. Just about to take her out. Alright. Oh, yes, good girl. The package is here.
Show